I'm Colette Dong, and this is Good Moves with Well+Good. Today I'm going to take you through a quick 10-minute strengthening series to relieve low back tension. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is pop up into a quick bridge to fire up our glutes and hamstrings. You're going to connect your heels right underneath your sits bones, and then I want you to press down through your heels and just lift those hips up a little bit. It doesn't need to be super high, but I want you to squeeze your butt and just activate those hamstrings so that we can release the front of the body. A lot of the times when we're sitting all day or feeling that low back pain, we're maybe a little bit too tight in those hips. We're curving through our low spine, and then we're not activating our glutes enough. So we're gonna give this a little bit of a strengthening moment and a little bit of a fire up, and then we're gonna work through a front body hip release. Just coming all the way up into the glutes. Give me a nice squeeze at the top. Thinking about pressing down, lifting equally through the arches of each foot. All 5 toes are spread out on your mat in your sneaker, and you have this nice lift and lower. You have 4 more, engaging the front of the body as you start to move through this bridge. In 3, give me 2 more, and last one, find a little bit of a pulse up to the ceiling. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Tiny squeeze through those glutes. You lift and lower through those hips. Give me 8 more, releasing any tension in the head, neck, and shoulders, and then engaging a lot of energy down through the fingertips. 4 more counts in 4, in 3, in 2. Hold your hips nice and high. Give me a little rotation. Drop your left hip down, and then squeeze. Left booty comes up. Drop your right hip down, almost like someone has a drill and they're drilling down just that left side hip. You press down through your right side and then take your right up. So this is gonna provide a little warmth and heat to our back body before we go into a nice release. That way we can find it a little bit deeper and we're already a little bit warm. Keep driving down opposites. 4 more counts right here, go 4. Last 3, put this together in a mini combo in 2 and 1. Give me 1 lower and lift, down up, and then 1 drop left, 1 drop right. Do that again, down up, drop it down left, right. Just alternating hips here. Beautiful work, find that nice length through the tailbone. And last one, drop it down, left to right. You get to roll all the way down through your spine, and I want you to take your arms, press them into the top of your hips, right above your thighs, and I want you to actively press the bottom of your legs away from your torso. Take a nice big inhale and give that press. It's not gonna look like much on camera here, y'all, but you really are gonna feel it. If you want a little bit of an extra press, you can lift your head, neck, shoulders up and off and just press away, or just stay here. Right here, I want you to grow 2 inches through your low spine. Do you feel that nice length being generated in that low back? Four more right here, go 4. Press, 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 really active and hard away. Try and drop those shoulders, press the heavy part of those thighs away from your body. 2 more. And last one, you press. Whoo, that feels so nice, that sweet release. Legs are gonna go forward, arms are gonna go overhead. Give me a little bit of a rock side to side here. Maybe you dig your heels in to the ground and a heel rock. All right, we have a little warmth in our back body and a little release. Let's work on strengthening that core. Bring everything up. You're gonna come into a nice roll up, sit and roll. Sit nice and tall on those tailbones. Try not to overarch here or be too curved. You wanna find a nice neutral place where you can start to pull up out of those sits bones. Sometimes it is hard, if we're extra tight in this low back, you're gonna find that you're gonna be really rounded and pulling, so I want you to try and pull up out of those sits bones. What you can do is gently open up those legs, turn out your knees so that you're maybe able to find a little bit of a taller sit here, So just working with that, seeing what's happening in the body today. It's gonna be different every day. Maybe some days you need to open these knees up, and some days you can have that nice long inner thigh squeeze and energy out the top of those legs. 2 more right here. Woo. And last one, roll it all the way up. Hang on right here, scoot your knees into your booty. Give me a nice little roll. Let's massage out that spine. Squeeze it in and take it forward. So you want to bring your heels close to your butt here. You're rolling right to the back of that bra line, and then you're using and scooping those low abs to help you come right back up. 4 more counts. Go 4. Last 3. In 2 on this last one, you're gonna be a big roll. Shoot your body forward, put your hands on the mat, swing your legs to the back. A quick transition there. Yeah, if that's too much for you, you can just swing those legs around and make an easy transition to the front of your mat. Coming onto all fours, I want you to drop your chest through your palms and feel how nasty that feels to just let those shoulders pinch and that low back release. Press down through your palms, scoop your low abs in towards your spine. Do this again. Take it down and roll and extend. We're gonna hit a plank here and down and roll and extend. So options, you can take a nice modified plank in which you walk those knees back, lean forward onto the juicy part of those thighs so that we're not putting too much pressure on the knee joints. And then I want you to roll the shoulders back and then push away from the mat. Yeah, one long piece. This is a plank, y'all. Anything putting pressure right into those arms on all fours is really a plank. If you're feeling good, I want you to bring those toes underneath you and find a really long plank here. So option A, down on the knees. Option B, you're right here on your plank. You're gonna give me a nice little tap through the knees. Give me 1 right down, take it all the way up, and 1 left down. If you're working in your modified plank, you just hold. Yeah, I want you to focus on bringing those low abs in towards your spine and strengthening that core so that you can one day work your way up. Whew, now your plank is a really good thing to do for your posture, yeah, because it forces you to engage those low abs. You're working every muscle of your body, and then you're pushing down through your arms to help support those shoulders so that we don't get that forward round. You also need a nice upper back to kind of help keep everything in line. 2 more right here. And last one, knees come down, hit a quick child's pose. We're gonna ride into that plank again, articulate through your spine. Whew, finding all of this length. See if you can't pull your heels out from your spine a little bit longer. Shoulders right over wrists. In 3, keep it up, last 2. Last one, hold it right here. Peel your left knee into your nose, pass it through to the outside of the left hand and drop your right knee down. You get a nice release through the front of the hips. Just breathe into this, y'all. If you want to take a little bit of a rock back and forth, you can. Press down through your right toe again, pass through your plank, squeeze your right knee into your nose, drop it down, open up the front of the hips. You can drop down into a nice low lunge. Good work, good work. Try and scoop out of your shoulders a little bit so that you have a nice long line through the back of the neck and the tailbone. Pass through your plank 1 more time. We have a nice moment of strength before you drop the knees down. Open up the front of the chest and hit a child's pose. We get to the release part again. Breathing into the low back. Rolling forward onto the hands, I want you to keep your hips over your knees. Walk your hands out a little bit further and take a nice puppy stretch. Your chin is gonna keep looking forward right here. You're gonna press those shoulders down. If this is too much for you, you can keep the forehead down on the mat. If you want that little extra for the front of the shoulders, through the armpits, I want you to stick your booty up high and then let that chin rest. 4 more right here, last moments in 3, 2 for 2, And last one, gently rock it back, coming up to sitting. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you feel long and strong. Again, I'm Colette Dong, and this is Good Moves with Well+Good. You can like and subscribe for more similar content, and we'll see you soon.